Hello everyone, I am Minhas Uddin and this is my project idea about meme detections in social medias. And the main objective of this project idea is to create a mechanism or model which is used to classify the memes so that I can reduce those memes which support wrong activity and these memes should be discarded when uploaded by the users. The problem is that basically nowadays social media is a very popular platform to get information which is going on the real world. But most of people post wrong news and informations or memes in social media so that everyone can get the wrong information. So it may create dangerous it may be dangerous for and create a problem for the society and the main problem is that basically the nowadays youth generations is time spent on the social media so that if the youth generation do wrong activity then I need to handle that because in the future there is it creates the future in the young generation so that I need to handle that very carefully. If I classify the which is good means or which are the bad means, good means or not good, so that I can handle and remove that those memes which is used which do wrong activity in the social medias and this is the workflow of my project and here you can see that when there is no software like that it's a model which are running in the background so if I install this spam detections programs then just when you upload or post on the social media so then it detects then it automatically on activate and detect that images and means to the software and the software detector which is good or not good and according to that I will allow the spam detections program or allow or discard the memes. Well, for the implementations, I can use there some deep learning techniques and perform accelerated data analysis and create using natural language processing as well as image reduction. Basically, in the memes, there are two types of memes. So first is natural language processing, just like you have put on text on social medias, just like that, or Twitter. In the in Twitter social media, you can tweet. So there are more text to post on the social media, so that I for the handling this text which is good or bad sentiment analysis according to that I allow the post so that I can create the natural language processing and one and if the image are posted according to that if just like you post the Hitler images or you can post the Sandeep Maheshwari which is the motivational lecturer so motivational lecturer so that according to that I need to classify which is good or which is bad and according to and then I classify the memes and upload allow or discard the memes and according to that I evaluate the model for the best models so that I can handle it very easily and I use some APIs for creating the models just like I use AWS Tesseract. Yeah, it's a API just Amazon Web Service. It's the API of Amazon AI services on the Amazon Web Service and I use Bluetooth 3. Basically, this AWS Tesseract work on the text from image to text conversion for use of Interact and Bluetooth 3 is a very big API to handle the AI services, just like comprehension entities, find the entities and find the sentiments of that, so that I use API. So that I need to handle for the means classification. I use these two API, and I use some basic libraries or languages just like TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Basically, these are helping to classify the memes, just like OpenCV is load to images. NumPy and Matplotlib is performing the exfoliated data analysis, which is good or bad. I can see easily, so that I use it, and for which word is used to good means or bad means, so that I need that. And for the TensorFlow, basically TensorFlow is used to very very big scales. And the most advantage of this idea is to get the more correct informations, and I can avoid the wrong activity which is posted by users, and youth generations will go right way to utilize interest, and it helps to detect users which post wrong memes and social media, and it also saves the times, and youth can go will go the right activity and explore the knowledge, when we not just like in ideal situation. If I don't allow the that means which is not good, so that everyone can get the right informations, and in the right way, so that youth can utilize own skills and explore own knowledge. And here we classify basically the memes like comedy, political, terrorist, or like that. This is the type which is mostly posted by the users, and according to type of memes, we can decide which is good or not. If it's not good for the users, then I discard it. If it's good and beneficial for users, then I allow this. The This is my project idea, and if thank you, thank you.